Hey everyone, how's it going? So last time what we did is we played around with the classes that we attach to these elements so that it will hide that one when the screen gets too small. But what I think we should do instead is when the screen gets like super large like this, or super wide I should say, we should make this third column a little bit wider. So what I'm going to do is just go back to main layout real quick, and I'm going to add something else to here. I'm going to add a new class to this third column one. It's going to say col-lg-4, which means when it's a large screen, it will take up 4. And of course, that means we need to reduce the size of one of these two. But given that this is 2 already, we're going to reduce the size of the main section slightly because we don't need the main section to be that wide anyway. So we'll just say col-lg what is it already? So it's usually 8. We can make it 6. Okay, so on a large screen, if I refresh the page now, you should see this third column takes up more space. Now, if you can change that as you want, obviously you don't have to do that. But when it gets super small, it's gone. When it gets a little bit wider, it takes up a little bit of space. And when it gets much wider, it takes up a bit more space. And we're left with this. So yeah, that's how I'm going to keep it. Like I said, feel free to change that if you want. So anyway, the next thing we're going to do is style the navigation bar. So what we're going to do is add some icons to it. Now I can actually show you what we're going to be doing. We're going to be doing something like this. So this is the layout we're going for. Obviously the screen isn't the same size, but this is the kind of layout we're going for. We're going to create these navigation items on the side. The main section is obviously where all the posts go and where you can write your post. And the third section is a bit of space that we can put something else in if we want to. So this is kind of what we'll be addressing first, this navigation bar on the left. So we're going to add these icons. In order to do that, we need to actually add these icons to the project. Now, these icons come from a library called FontAwesome. Now, if you've taken my other courses, you've probably seen FontAwesome. If you haven't, you still might have heard of it because it is super popular. I think it's the most popular icon library that there is. So it's really good. It's definitely worth adding. So what we're going to do is just go ahead and Google FontAwesome. It should take you to the link. So it's just fontawesome.com, so you can go to that directly if you want. But what you need to do is get a link. They'll give you a link. And the file that it gives you the link to is where all the icons are. So what you're going to do is click Start for free. And then you need to enter your email. And what they do is they will send you the code. Or what they actually do is they send you a confirmation link. And when you click that, it will open the FontAwesome website in a way that allows you to create your account. And so you can then get access to the link. So basically, enter your email, check your inbox, click the link, and then you can follow the steps from there to sign up. And then you have a link. So once you do that, you should see a page something like this. Okay, so here you go. Here's the link. And what you're going to do is just copy that. You can either copy it manually or click this button. So if I click that, it's copied it to my clipboard. So I'll move it out of the way. And what we're going to do is add this to our project. Now, because this is pug code, we need to convert the link itself to pug code. Now, you can do it manually. It would be pretty simple, but we're going to use that HTML to pug converter. So I'll just Google that, and it should be the top link. And then just paste it. Oh, it's a different one now. Okay. Anyway, just paste it in there, and it will convert it for you. And yeah, just copy the converted one. So I'll copy all that, and then I'll go back to here. And what I'm going to do is paste it at the bottom, right above all the scripts there. So I'll put it there, okay? So what I've done is I've just copied the link that they gave me and pasted it in there. That's it. So now we're ready to start using this FontAwesome library.